Hi guys, it's Sam from CreativelySams, and today I'm making a candle ring. This candle ring will look different depending on what candle you put in there. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. The first thing you need is a 3-inch wide candle. It doesn't matter whatever color you decide, because the color is going to change the entire look of this centerpiece. I also have a clear glass vase that I got from the Dollar Tree that you can put a smaller candle in, or you can put floating candles in that, whatever you choose. But the color that you choose with the candle is going to make the difference. This is a battery operated candle that I got at Walmart a long time ago. These candles I got from my mother-in-law's estate. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this just to give me the dimensions that I need. And you'll see what I mean afterwards. Okay, what I'm using is this 6-foot garland that I got at Walmart. Like I said before, I like Walmart's garlands better because they are thicker. There's a whole lot more foliage on it than you get at the Dollar Tree. Granted, it is $2.98, and you could use a whole lot more of the Dollar Trees to equal it, but it's a lot simpler to use the one from Walmart. I've got some picks that I got at the Dollar Tree on my last haul. I've got an orange pipe cleaner, and I'm going to be cutting this in, I don't know, thirds or fourths, and then a hot glue gun. And this is pretty much all you need. And the first thing I'm going to do is wrap the garland around the vase, and you could wrap it around a candle, you know, whatever you want. I'm just doing the vase because it's sturdier. And I'm going to be cutting this loop off that you would normally use to hang the garland. And I have decided to cut the pipe cleaner in thirds because you only need to anchor this in 3 places to make it hold. So I'm just going to wrap this around several times. I'm sorry for bumping you. And I'm not going to do it too tight. And then I'm just going to anchor this in the 3 places using the pipe cleaner. And by anchoring it, I'm just going to use it to tie them all together. And I'm going to repeat this in 2 other places. Okay, I still have some left over. And I'm going to take some of these berries off of this garland and just glue them in where I don't have them. And I could have kept going all the way around, but I really think that it would have been too full. But as you can see, there's no berries over here, so I'm just going to hot glue them in. And I need a couple over here, and the base of this is pretty much done. And then I'm just going to add some of the pumpkins from the pick. I'm not even going to worry about the berries for the pick. If I need them, I'll use them. But don't really think I need them. Although this bright yellow really would give it a pop. Let me think about it. Okay, to help me decide where I wanted these pumpkins, I'm just laying them on top of where I have the 3 pipe cleaners. And I'm just going to twist the pipe cleaner around the stem. And then to hide the pipe cleaner, I'm just going to glue this down right on top of it. Now you can't see the pipe cleaner, and it gives it a nice full look. I'm just going to hold it in place until it dries. And there it is done. To be honest with you, I wish I had some washi tape to put around the top of the glass vase. But I don't. But this is how it looks with one center. With a yellow candle. Really gets a different look with the green candle. And there's the white battery operated candle. And there it is with the burnt orange candle. It's amazing what one little candle ring can do for so many different candles, and what a different color candle can do for a candle ring. And if you put the candle and the candle ring inside a crystal bowl, that really makes a statement. Well, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.